Running a grocery store and doing an advertisement via Facebook ad campaign for your grocery business and have also created this Facebook lead ad form to generate the leads, then this video is for you, because today I'll show you how you can automatically send the WhatsApp messages to your Facebook leads. Yes, such kind of messages can be sent to your Facebook lead automatically and in real time without doing anything manually. Simply build a connection, build an automation in your Facebook lead ad form with an application of sending the WhatsApp messages. In this video, I will use Vati as an example. In place of Vati, you can also go with other WhatsApp applications like Interact or AI Sensei or etc. Now, in order to automate this process, in order to build this connection, I will use another software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And using this software only, I am going to connect both the application and automate my task. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now, before you log into dashboard of Pabbly Connect, make sure you have a Facebook lead ad form created for your business and you have an account in any WhatsApp application. Now, why I am using Vati only? Because it has the access of official WhatsApp business API. Okay, so once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as send automated WhatsApp message to your grocery business lead. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I am selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I am building the automation in Facebook lead ad form and in Vati, so I am going to select the same application here. Alright, so searching for the same, that is Facebook lead ad form. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so this is the application, and as soon as a new lead is arrived, I want to send the WhatsApp message. So for sending the WhatsApp messages, I am using Vati. Okay, give me a second. Vati is the application. In place of Vati, you can also go with AI Sensei or Interact, or there are a lot of other applications also available in the Pabbly Connect's integration library. Okay, currently I'll go with the same, that is Vati. Now after selecting these applications, the idea here is I'm going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect our Facebook lead ad form with the Pabbly Connect so that we can capture the lead data here in the dashboard. Okay, firstly it is asking to select the trigger event, so I'll go with the same, that is new lead instant. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. So yes, I want to perform the same. Clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, click on this button, and now it will ask you to provide the access of your Facebook account in which you are running Facebook ads. But because I am already logged in, so it has detected that access and authorization is successful, and my Facebook account is immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected, here you can notice whatever the pages I have created inside my Facebook account, all those pages are visible here. So now I am going to select which specific page. So the name of my page is this Best Way Supermarket. So let me search for the same. Alright, so this is my page, and as soon as I select the page, whatever the lead generation form are associated with this page will also start visible here. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you everything. Here you can notice all the lead generation form that are available inside this page associated with this page are visible here. Let me even show you the same. Okay, so clicking on this Meta Business Suite, and then I'll be clicking on all tools section from the left hand side, and then you'll have to scroll down and you will find this instant form section where you can find all the lead generation form associated with your page. Here you can notice this online grocery store form, Best Way Supermarkets, grocery store brochure form. Okay, so I'll be going going with this form. Okay, let me even show you the preview of this form. This is grocery store brochure. Let me click on this arrow button, and here I have provided this particular text, that is get 10% off on your first order. Fill the below form and we will share the coupon on your WhatsApp number, and I'm collecting only the basic details from my customers from my lead. Okay, so I hope you have understood, and the same form is already open here. So let me first close this Meta Business Suite. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly I'll select the same form, that is online grocery store form. Now clicking on this button save and send test request, and now I would recommend you to read the instructions carefully. Okay, so firstly it has already started waiting for the webhook response, which means it is asking to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Also read this particular line, that is please note that after clicking on the save and send test request button, you will need to generate a sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Well, I'm not running any live Facebook ads, so how I am going to generate a sample submission? Well, it is very easy. Simply click on this learn more option and you will find a Facebook lead ad testing tool link. You can also open the same tool link from Google also, but I'm showing you from here. Alright, here you will find this link, Facebook lead ad testing tool. Again telling you, you can also open the same Facebook lead ad testing tool link from Google. Let me close the same. Now all you need to do is to search for your page name, which was Best Way Supermart. So I have selected the same, and if you are also not running any live ad but planning to create this kind of automation before making your ads live, you can do the testing from here. Okay, so I have selected the page, and whatever the forms are associated with my page have also started visible here. So I have selected the same page which I have already opened here as an example. Now I am going to preview the form from this particular button, and in this way you can reach out to this form. Okay, but the same page, the same Facebook lead ad testing tool is already opened here, so I have closed that page. Now I am going to submit this form, and you will notice how the details of that Facebook lead ad form will be captured here, will be received as a response for which it is already waiting. So give me a second. Demo customer is going to be the name of the customer. This is just a random dummy number, and this is the email address. And don't worry, I will replace this dummy number with my genuine WhatsApp number later so that I can show you everything in real. Okay, so clicking on submit, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and as soon as the submission is successful, you will notice that a response will be received. Okay, fingers crossed, waiting for the response. And here you can notice the response is received. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. Okay, so here we have the very same name, the very same dummy phone number, the dummy email address. We also have the created date and time and other details also. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will submit this Facebook lead ad form, the lead data will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done, which was capturing the lead inside Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now moving further, I am going to set the automation for sending the WhatsApp message to my leads, that too automatically. Okay, for that I have already selected a dedicated application of sending the WhatsApp messages. Now I'll be selecting the action event, that is send a template message, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the API endpoint and this access token. These details you can get from the Vati dashboard only. Simply click on this API doc section, and here you will find both the details. Okay, let me copy this token firstly. Alright, let me paste the same here, asking for the endpoint also. So let me copy the same and paste here, clicking on save, and in this way my Vati account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice it is connected. Now it is asking for a lot of details which are actually required for sending a message, and first thing it is asking for the WhatsApp number. Enter a valid WhatsApp number with the country code without plus sign. Okay, so you will have to provide the WhatsApp number of the lead to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message. So remember, I have already captured the lead data as a response of my trigger step. So yes, I am going to use the same lead data from here here only. And the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy this lead data and paste below again and again for every new lead. I am going to map this details so that the details will be replaced automatically. Yes, with the help of mapping, the details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Now, how mapping can be performed? Click on this field and you will find the same data, the above data here in the drop down. Select that data and in this way it will be mapped. Make sure that you provide the WhatsApp number with the country code but without plus sign, okay? But don't worry, I will replace this dummy number with my genuine WhatsApp number. I have mapped this dummy number so that I can show you how you can map the number of your new lead, okay? Asking to select the template. So before I select any template from here, firstly I'll explain you what is this template all about, okay? So whenever you are sending the messages to your customers, clients and users on WhatsApp using some official WhatsApp business API, you will always have to firstly create a new template, get it approved via Facebook, and then only you will be able to initiate the conversation with your customers and clients, okay? In this case, I have already created one template and got the approval. Now, how you can create this template message and get the approval for the same? Well, I will attach a dedicated video for the same in my description box, or you can also visit this tutorial, okay? So coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice whatever the templates are already available in my Vati account have started visible here. Well, I have created this offer message template for sending the messages to my customers, to my leads, something like this. Let me first show you this template. This is the same template. This is the name of the template, that is offer message. The category I have selected is marketing. The language I have chosen is English US. Here I have not provided any broadcast title and have not even attached any media or image along with my message, and from here I have composed the whole message. And you must be thinking, what are these values packed with the curly braces, okay? So basically we are going to use the same template only to send the message to all our leads. So that is why I have added those values in the form of variable, which I want to keep on changing automatically as soon as my automation will work in real time. So let's say I want that the name of the lead should be changed automatically. So that is why instead of adding the name directly, I have taken the variable here, okay? So in this way you can also compose your message from here, also do the formatting, and you also have the option to attach footers and buttons. But because it was not optional and it was not required in my case, so I have not included any footer. But yes, I have included a button, that is this visit website button, where I have provided the button text as visit website and have also added the website link of mine. And from here, from the sample content, you will have to provide the values to your variables. Basically, what values may come in place of variables. We are defining the system using some sample content, okay? And once it is done, you can directly submit this template for the approval. In my case, I have already got the approval. You can notice, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, let me select the same. Well, it has got selected automatically, asking for the broadcast name. So how about I go with the same, that is offer message, okay? I'm really sorry for that, it should be offer message. Finally, it is asking for the custom parameters, okay? So this is the most interesting part of this Vati application. Basically, we are going to provide the values to our variables, that what values will come in place of these variables, okay? This was my template and I have added 3 variables, so I'm going to provide the value to all 3 variables from here only. How we can do that? Well, here you can find an instruction, a help text, that you will have to copy this pair of curly braces and paste here. And let's say you have 3 variables in total, so that is why I am going to paste the thing 2 more times, okay? So adding a comma, well, the comma is already copied and have added, so I have directly pasted. And make sure that you do not include any extra column in the last variable for the last variable, okay? So I have pasted the same thing for 3 times. Now firstly, you will have to provide your variable name here, and then you will have to provide the value of your variable here. And in the same way you will have to do with other variables also, okay? So in our case, we have the variable name as this, that is this name. So let me copy the same, and yes, it is going to be like name is name and the value is going to be the name of the lead, and I am not going to manually provide the lead name. So let me map it, and I have already explained you everything about mapping, that if I will provide any detail via mapping, this detail will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But if we will specify any detail manually here, that detail will remain same. Now it's turn to provide the value to our second variable. Okay, so the name of the second variable is link. Okay, so in place of color I will add the same, and the value of this link is going to be the manual thing. Yes, I am going to add this link manually. Okay, so this is the website link, which is of course going to remain same. It is not going to change, so that is why I have provided it manually. Okay, now it's turn to provide the value to our third variable, which is company name. So again, this time the name is this company name, and the value of the company name is going to be the company name only. And again, this is something which will not be changed, which will same every time. So how about I provide the company name manually only, that is ABC Grocery Store. I hope it is looking good. And before I click on this button, firstly I am going to replace this dummy number, and as per the instructions only I am going to provide this number. But before that, let me also delete this message so that I can show you from scratch, so that I can show you how in real the messages will be received on my own WhatsApp number. Why the message has not deleted. Okay, give me a second, let me try it once again. And here you can notice there are no conversation left already. Coming back to the dashboard, let me provide the number. So I have provided the number. Clicking on this button, save and send this request, waiting for the response to receive. Well, the response is received, and if that response is positive, that means the message has been sent. Going back, and here you can notice the message is arrived immediately. Let me open the same. Hello demo customer, thank you for showing interest. Get flat 10% off on your first order. Use coupon code this. Shop more products from here. Thanks ABC Grocery Store. And this is the website link, and this is the name of the very same customer which we have provided at the time of lead form submission. Let me even show you the same. Okay, so in this way you can also automate the process of sending the WhatsApp messages to your new Facebook leads without doing anything manually. Well, why I'm saying this again and again without doing anything manually? Because you need to set up this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step automation workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.